Hello and welcome to another new game dev coding stream. The last time we were working on formatting all our JavaScript code, and we were using JavaScript formatter, and in this code base in subtitles importer we found a problem. JavaScript formatter itself, and we're gonna try and see if we're gonna clean everything, all the changes. We're gonna clean everything. We're gonna see if GD format has the same issue. It doesn't seem to have, but let's just give it a try. I'm gonna reset everything to find files here. We're gonna print this and pass it to GD format. I think it was GD form. Yeah, GD format. Then wanted to change the line length. Oh yeah, just to, I don't know, 300. I just don't want it to screw with my lines. I don't want them wrapped around or anything. Just do 1,000. Why not? Just run this. Oh yeah. Now let's see if this has a problem with the bracket inside as a string, because JavaScript formatter had a problem with that. Okay, let's just start Godot and see what happens. If we get an error, I mean, we're probably gonna get a bunch of errors. That's fine. This is normal because we just cleaned the project. But if we run it again and we still get the errors, oh, we don't get the errors. So JavaScript format is much better, at least better at not bring up the code format in places. Let's see. Just go to subtitles importer. I mean the subtitles class actually, and then we're gonna search for the string. This is the line that last time. Actually, was this or another one? But one of these. We're screwing up with the JavaScript formatter. Okay, let's take a look. Let's see what's happening. Make this a bit bigger. Oh, it actually. I don't know if that's fine. I don't care. Just a little bit. But look at how it does the enums. I don't like how it does the enums though. Let's take it for another spin. Let's see if we can do something else. Oh, actually, yeah, we want to check that too. If it's using spaces or tabs, because I like tabs. I don't want. Oh yeah, it's using tabs. Okay. Good morning, encourager. I'm just gonna call you Kerr. Yeah, that's what you said last time. Anyway, good morning. How are you? Welcome back. Happy New Year. So many things to say from just a single good morning. Yeah. Happy New Year. Doesn't seem like I can fix the it's messing with the enums. Actually, I'm just gonna run it without the line length. Just define. Oh, hey. Let's see what it gives me. So what's new in the zoo? A bunch of bug fixes. A bunch, many bug fixes. I want to finish right now just formatting all the plugins that I have. I'm just using since I've been using AI, like the way the code has been formatted, not entirely consistent across all my plugins. So I figured I'm just gonna use a formatting tool like GDScript Formatter or GD Format and see what they give me. And that's what I've been working on this past few, well, the last stream actually. Because at least so far we've fixed the bugs that we wanted to fix, and as soon as I'm done with this, I'll probably start actually working on the game. I mean, all of this is part of working on the game, but I want to also apply this formatting to my game too. I want all the files to look neat and not look like they've been written by different, or at least not have inconsistent styles or styling. And wow. Let's see. Okay, I like it. No, it's killing the comments. Why? Oh man, these tools are inconsistent. One. Good. It's going to give me the same thing, but I think I'd rather have the comments where they are than. Wait, this still kills the comments? Oh my god, look at how it's doing this. Ugh. No. Hold on. Let me try GDScript formatter again. This is gonna kill. This is not gonna work properly, but I like the comments. Comments make life easy. And that's what I need. That's what I use for actually remembering what my thought process was when I was working on whatever piece of code I'm looking at. I never said the whole process is easy. Just making me remember things easy is good for me and my mental health. Look at the diff. Okay, this looks much better. Much better. But this one is gonna kill. Gonna make something. This one does something extremely weird because it doesn't properly parse or format specific line. But I actually think I like this much better. This is not killing my enums. It's not killing the comments there. And GD format. Yes, mental health is very important, especially in game dev. You want to do something good, you're gonna need to manage your own mental health. Let me see GD format. No, oh, it's just GD format. See if I can configure GD format or not screwing up with the enums. I wish Godot came with its own GDScript formatter. I don't think it does. So how have you been, Kerr? Ooh, we have a dump default comp. Oh wait, that do. Oh, GD format RC. Oh, this. Huh? Eh. Not many options. I'll stick with GD script formatter, even though it has less options. Probably gonna screw up my code in many different places. Maybe not, because I don't really parse brackets. Good, I was spending time with peeps. Sadly, yesterday was the first day I opened computer, so I need to work a lot now. Ah, I see. Wait, sadly, yesterday was the first day I opened the computer. How is that sad? Let's just use GScript formatter. Then fix the line. Ah, I see what you mean now. Yeah, I can understand that. Like you're sort of overwhelmed, perhaps. Somewhere in here. Oh, wait, is it fine? No. Okay, I think it's 145. Remember, just open Godot. Yeah, that is why you're sitting here. Well, I don't know how this stream helps you, but I hope it does help you get things done faster. Oh, so many errors. This line 156. This is where it's scrapping out, if I remember. 156. No, it's not here. Here. This is it. Oh my god, line 2699. This is where everything goes to shit. Great, but soon coming back to studying. All right. That's good. Okay, now everything works fine. Look at the diff. I don't really want to stick with diff here. I remember just did a bunch of stuff that I did not like. Let's just skip over a bunch of stuff that I've already. Oh wait, what? No, why are you giving me the demos? Oh, here. Oh yeah, get to keep the comments. Nice too. Nice. Hmm. Hmm. Hold on, I got a text from my friend really quick. I'll respond to our friend really quick. Uh, you'll be lurking. Good luck with coding. All right, thank you, Kerr. I will be here for. This is probably gonna be a short stream because I need to handle a call in about an hour. But yes, thank you for lurking. I really appreciate that. Right, let's continue coding. Hold on. I need to handle this real quick. Let's go back. Let's go to. I have some situations right now going on in my family, and friends are chiming in too. Appreciate that. That's unrelated to game dev. Let's do this. It's only related to my work. Let's just do this. Okay, so I'm just gonna stick with your script for matter. I'm not gonna think about it. I'm gonna report the bug, and I'm gonna do that after I'm done with the stream. I'll do this. Okay, this should work. Just run Godot and see what happens here. Everything seems to be. Oh right, actually, let me kill. Actually, delete all the imported files because I don't want that to work. I want that to be done. Then I need to test this code. Oh yeah, the importer works. Everything works fine. Let's do this. Just run the tests really quick. There's a few demos and we're off the races. Oh, the demos are actually very simple. Wait, what the hell? Did I? Oh, yeah. Because this is just... me. I just need to run this and actually import the subtitles. Yeah, I want to do that. Tools, subtitles into animation player. Then we run the scene. It works. Oh, we need to do the... Now the subtitles are working. Welcome to Subtitle Importer. Change the subtitle. It should be Subtitles Importer. I never fixed that. Okay, I'm back. There's so many interruptions. I want to get some work done. Let's do this. Okay, this works. So we can just commit and push. Wait. Is this? Oh, because the UID I opened this up with. Oh, and yeah. Yep. I know. Demo itself changed the scene. All right. Let's commit the changes, and I want to use the same commit comment that I used on Dialog Engine. It's just format JavaScript code with JavaScript formatter. Push. And if I run same command, we should be able to reproduce the bug that I'm gonna oh yeah, I reproduce the bug. Let's go. I'll report these bugs soon. Let's move on to the next script. Next. I think what was it? I'm gonna do something else. So we did Quest Manager, I think. Yeah, we did Quest Manager. We did Dialog Engine. We did Inventory Manager. Has that been done? I think. Yeah, we did Inventory Manager. We did 4 of them, and I always miss one, which is the one that oh wait, Achievements Manager. Let's do this. Oh, it's when it's not done yet. Okay, let me reset all the changes because I don't remember which tool I used here. JavaScript formatter. Now let's just take a look at the add-on code. Make this a little bit bigger. Okay, so I see. Changes. Spaces being deleted, that's fine. That's why I'm running this tool. Oh, wait. Hold on. There's something strange. Oh, ooh. That space. Yeah. I do not want this space down here. It's the spacing thing that I keep doing, but it's really not standard in this type system. Not type system, the code styling system for this type system. I don't know how to even explain it. Just gonna keep going, cleaning up the code like I want. Alrighty. Oof, looks clean. Should work out of the just out of the bat. Give it for a spin. Test it. Yep, everything seems to work. Wait, I was so... Let me, hold on. Let me look at this. I should see the errors from the classes. That's fine. Exit, run again. And no errors now. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I like. No errors, no warnings, no anything. From the code. Simple achievement. Oh yeah. We have some errors, some warnings. That's okay. Or the all within the demo code, which I don't care about. First blood, and everything looks fine here. This. Oh. Work. Yep. Third demo. Take it for a spin. Beautiful. As test. There's you. Save. Hey! Save. Oh. That's who. Save first. Save. Unlock. Unlock. Load. Load. Work fine. Everything's fine, so that's okay. Let's add in a commit. Format code with JavaScript formatter. Push. Change. Oh yeah. That should be it for all the plugins. And let's synchronize all these changes to my project. Right, so we go project 0, rsync a difference manager add-ons. Hey, no, wait. We do the full path here. Difference manager. Wait, do I need a full path? I don't think I do. Actually, let me test it. Do I have any changes here? You have. That's fine. Paste. Oh, add-ons here. This work. Okay, expect it to. Oh, it does. Oh yeah, it's nice. Right, this is better. Or better. Quest manager. Inventory manager. Dialog engine. Titles importer. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 should be it. Synchronize upstream changes. Stream upstream formatting. It's just for my plugins. Okay, now we are going to do the auto loads. See if this is gonna crap out somewhere. Actually, I'm just gonna do that across the whole database, across code base, and then we're gonna check out the add-ons because I don't want the add-ons. So the I guess I don't want upstream changes from other add-ons to be changed. And here, the big question is, does everything work? It's gonna crap out? What's going to happen? I don't know. Stick it for a spin. No errors, please. I get no errors. Oh my god, it's beautiful. No errors. Let's go. Okay, the most important part here that I care the most about is I'm still gonna look at the diff and then start adding stuff slowly. This the auto load. There's a bunch of code here that I've written. I don't want to be messed or screwed up by much. Oh, oh my god, this is so much better. Oh yeah, yeah. Let's continue. Mm. Yep, it looks fine to me. Oh my god, what a mess did I do with, with the formatting there. I actually like how JavaScript formatter is formatting this code. It makes it easier to keep an eye on the scope of the function. At least the space that it's taking. And I'm doing a big mess out of it. Oh. Wait, I have to append arrays? This is strange. Oh, yeah, I remember this part of the code. Yep, that's fine. Wait, what did you do? Oh, okay. Okay, I see what you did. Right. Oh my god, so much formatting cleanup. I love this. Consistently clean code. I mean, not in the clean code sense as in the book, but all of this looks so good to me. I really like this tool now. I really like it. I enjoy it. Wait. It's gonna screw up some function calls. Yeah, just like that one. I really like big lines, but I cannot configure the line width. So I'm just gonna go with it. And if I can configure that later, I'll do that later. But right now the tool is in its early stages. But it works. It does what it's trying to do. And it's not really messing up the code. At least sometimes. So I found one bug specifically. I need to report. I want to report that code, that bug. It's so strange, so inconsistent. And this enum, it's eating the comma. It's not letting me add a comma at the end. What the hell? But that's okay. That's the one bit that it's like, make up your mind, bro. This enum right here, it's taking away the comma. Gosh. Okay. All of this looks good to me. Good. I need to change the music. I keep hearing the same looped music now. I'll do that next stream. To upgrade my streaming setup. Little by little. Oh, this looks good to me. Wait, what did... Wow. I like the formatting changes that this is doing. Okay. Good. Perfect. That's okay. Fine with all these changes. Oh, nice. Yep. Cool with all these changes. Wait, what's that? Fine. Just spaces that we're taking away from the code. So many spaces. I wonder how many bytes we're saving. It's really taking a lot of spaces that I've left around over time, over the years. Yeah. I'm just gonna skip. Oh, wait. Here. Oh, that's fine. Breaking that F. I like that, actually. Yeah, that looks nice. We have many files. That's okay. I'll be a bit quicker now, just so that I make sure no crazy bug. Or so for the most part, it looks great. The problem of using these tools is that sometimes, yeah, I did a script for Matter, the same tool that I'm the changes from that I did to my code. The problem is that sometimes they eat the scope that you place your code in, especially when they are starting, which is what happened. Which is what happens in the subtitles importer code. It's just one line, but it confuses the bracket with starting a new array or something. I'm not sure how it sees it internally. And if you're in a while loop, going a forward loop and you somehow jump out, like you, oh wait, like this right here, but this is fine. This is just within the same if statement. But yeah, if you like, if the scope is not, the new scope is not within the for loop at all, the new loop, then whatever you were doing in that scoped code, it's not gonna be executing in the loop anymore, and that could be a strange bug or something hard to find. Sometimes, not always. But you're gonna see like weird errors in your code that you'll be like, what the hell is happening? And if it's math, if it's just numbers that are going crazy, it's gonna be so hard to debug. Sometimes you don't know what's happening with the numbers, so you need to start tracking each and every operation around that number that you're looking at to see what is happening. Oh, this looks good to me. Wait, what did it do here? Oh, okay, that's fine. Ooh, I like that. Man. Hey, oh, nice cleanup. Nice. I like this. Yeah. I don't like smooth. This is fine. Fine. Readable. Oh, this is a bunch of code that I don't really care about. This is the C. Achievements. Bridge. Yeah. Alright. Well, this looks good to me. So let's just go over with the outload. I don't know. That one it. I'm gonna skim over the rest of the code. Just a lot. There's a bunch I don't care about that needs to be reworked. Let me just commit this change. Then the needs to be reworked. I'm just gonna add it. I don't care about it. And like the editor scripts. Yep. We want to closer look at these. So everything seems to be working fine. Yeah. It's okay. Yep. This is fine. Yo, Rylan Goldman. What is the name of my game? Right now, it doesn't really have a name. I'm just calling it Project Zero. It's not my first game. I did one other tiny game called Happy Bounce. It was a clone of Flappy Bird, and I did publish it on Google Play Store and the Amazon Store, but I'm not sure if the games are still there. I have not maintained them. The API changed, some stuff changed, and I think both the game got what's the word? Removed from the source, from both stores. I'm not sure how to name this game yet. I have an idea, but I don't want to give it a name yet. It feels like it's still some aspects still in its blueprint stages, like your game Rallen. And I want the name to sort of be related to the story. And I don't have a concrete story yet, but I know what some of the elements that I want to put in. Ooh, the architect. Hold on. I want to make sure that this dialogue's actually. Okay. Yep, this is fine. This is part of the dialogue that I want to add to the game. Is this like a point-and-click adventure? No, this is not gonna be a point-and-click adventure. It's gonna be more like a Zelda-ish kind of game. I also want to add like a bit of the feeling from Hollow Knight when it comes to fighting, but I also want to merge that with a little bit of the craziness that comes from Vampire Survivors. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do that. It's all game code. Okay, let's take a look at this. Gonna skim over it quickly. I don't want to spend too much time just looking at spaces being deleted. This for the game code. A bunch of this might change anyway. As long as the scoping is the same, I'm fine with the change. And we did get no error. We did not get an error, so that should be fine for the most part. Good so far. Oh, you added some. That's fine. That's fine. Fine. Looks fine. Looks fine. I think the search help button in Godot is cringe. Oh, not beginner friendly. I've been so used to Godot that I'm not sure what you mean by not beginner friendly. Hold on, I want to take a look now. Let me finish looking into this quickly. Wait, what the hell happened here? Where's my damage draw? Oh, it reorganized. Okay. Damage draw is still there, yeah. The scoping is fine. Ah. Scoping is fine too. That is, oh, that's so nice. I like the formatting. Oh, this is fine. Wait, why did it? What's wrong with ItemDB? What did it change there? I have absolutely no idea. Oh, I think it's an extra line. I don't know. Looks the same to me. Let's probably some invisible character that should not be there. Is Godot the only entirely free game engine you can use to make money? No, that's not true. There are many. There's Coco Studio X, which is a lot more lightweight. I would say it's a lot more lightweight than Godot, but it does not have as many facilities that Godot has. Like, it does not have an easy to use editor. It does have an editor, but it only runs on Windows, and I hate it. I absolutely hate it. There's also Ogre 3D. I can show them to you as soon as I'm done with this. But most of the stuff that I'm working on, that I'm talking about, these are like frameworks. They are game engines, but you need to like do like a bunch of the programming. Like, there's no editor. There's no. I think Ogre 3D does have an editor, or it's extremely simple. You still need to actually code a lot. But where do I go to see all the game engines that are free? That's a good question. I haven't checked in a while. And it also depends on what do you mean by free. Because, for example, Unreal Engine, it's free to use. It's free to you can develop your game in it. But when you sell it, if you sell more than 100,000 in USD, I think in US dollars, then you have to pay a 5% royalty fee to, I think, Epic Games, which are the guys that made the Unreal Engine. So it's free to use, but you have to pay. If you want something entirely free with absolutely no royalty, no anything, yes, there are still some out there. I think Love 2D is also another, but that's specific for 2D games. Actually, I'm curious about the question. I'll take a look as soon as I'm done here. Oh, I have this change in. Oh, that's fine. I'll just keep that change in. Oh, we're done. Just the enemy chase is the only one that I don't want. What did I add? Oh yeah. How is Unity? Unity is free if you do it. Honestly, I don't remember because I don't use Unity. We'll take a look at it. Just a licensing issue. So all the software that you use, also the art, if you want to go professional when it comes to doing game development, you need to keep an eye on. And when I mean professional, I mean actually making a game and selling it. If you use it for hobbies, you can use whatever you want, honestly, for the most part. If you don't sell anything, you don't have to pay any fees for the free ones. But if you sell, then you have to consider what repercussions the licenses of the software you're using has. So hold on, let me make this change really quick. It's what was it? Let me chase. Here, I don't want this change. Oh wait, I can just add everything and go back to the beginning. No. Add everything, and then we go to enemy chase. And here, I don't want this change to be. Push. push me, and then just touch me till you satisfaction. Okay. Let's take a look at the Unity real quick. Unity is a very popular game engine. It's a lot compared with compared a lot with Godot too. Licensing. So when you go to the plans and pricing of Unity, you'll see like these tiers of pricing when it comes to Unity. So here it tells you like what you can do basically. Like you have hundreds of hours of recurses you get just by using Unity. You get a bunch of assets. Although the asset stuff sometimes can be used in another game engines, so you don't really need Unity. You need to take a look at the license of the asset itself. And sometimes they provide stuff that is silly that you don't really need to pay for. For example, this Unity version control. You can use your own version control, like Git. Like you don't need this. I don't know what this Unity Cloud ecosystem is. Probably connected to a bunch of systems. And publishing. They give you this for free, basically. You can publish to web, to desktop, and whatnot. And at least for Unity, they make it a lot easier for publishing to consoles and to consoles basically, if I remember, because they already have all the ports. They support like porting to, I don't know, Nintendo Switch, PlayStation 5, whatever. And with Godot you can do that, but I'm not sure the cost if porting to those platforms has a different cost other than one of these tiers. Something needs to be looked at. But yeah, basically this is the licenses, and there's a lot more that goes into it, but I'm not sure. Honestly, I don't know much about Unity. See down here, like our pricing frequently asked question. Oh, so here, yep. Oh, there we go. This is one of the constraints of Unity. You can use it for personal projects, but yeah, if you earn less than 200,000 in a year, you can use personal. If you earn more, I suppose you need to pay for pro. Yeah, there's a bunch of rules. These are the licenses that I'm talking about. Godot, the license is very simple. It's extremely simple. Let me just show it real quick. Godot, GitHub. Here, then when you look at the license, it's just this. And it basically tells you to use the software however you want. That there's no warranty in it, so if you have some losses or something happens, they cannot be held liable, like the Godot Engine contributors, nor Juan Linietsky, nor Ariel Mansour. And you can even use it for commercial purposes, somewhere around here. That means you can actually just code Godot, clone or copy Godot and sell it with another name. But the only thing they really want is to have the copyright, like this. Like, even if you rename Godot, just slap another name, another logo, and you want to sell it, this license still needs to be included in the new software. Put it more Godots and less Unreals. It actually depends. I wouldn't say that's entirely true. Because each has their own target audience. When it comes to indie game development, For sure, more Godots and less Unreals and less Unities and less anything else. Let me take a quick look at other game engines. Let me see if there's a list of game engines. We're gonna take a quick look. Oh yeah, Wikipedia has a nice article here. You can just search for list of game engines and you'll get a bunch. But I'm not sure if this one says which ones are free. Let me see where Godot is here. Godot. Script 2014. Oh, oops, easy. You can look at the licenses. This is one way. Remember we were talking about licenses just now? You can just actually let's take a look at Unity. Let me do this. Organize the licenses and then go to Unity. Unity. This here. So the license is proprietary. We were just looking at the license right now. And there's a lot more details that go into that I'm not gonna go into in this stream. But bold was a card by what is bold? I'm not sure what that is. But anyway, oh, it's the visual scripting. It's called bold. Oh yeah, remember looking into that. Yeah. But anyway, I'm going off on a rant here by now. But yes, here you can see that what we were just talking about, it has a proprietary license. And if you go to the ones that have the same license as Godot, which is MIT, basically all of this stuff is free. All of it. So you still have to look at if they have like some tiers, or if the license, because sometimes oh, here goes to DX. This is the one that I first used. But yeah, sometimes they have different licenses if you use something for different parts of the engine. I don't remember a good example. But, oops, this is one visual pinball. It has like a main. Oh, it seems to have two different licenses. It has been licensed in 2 different ways. This is one that has 2 different licenses, GPL v3 or commercial. Oh, it's a good thing they list them here. This is nice. But yeah, a bunch of these engines. I'm not sure if any of them have a good editor. I know GDevelop has a nice editor. Don't remember. They have a pricing too. Because oh, this is connected to AI for building games with AI. Yeah, they're pricing stuff. Their tiers, they give you some extra stuff. But anyway, this is a very short overview of free game engines. There's also, oh, this is the other one that I was talking about, Augur. Why can't game engines be like anime, where there is a boatload of them? Wait, anime or anime? Because you meant anime. I mean, there's a bunch of them. The thing is that they all usually they specialize or they follow a specific philosophical coding style, or they have some like some philosophy or some design that they want to stick to. Torque 3D. I remember hearing about this engine. I think it's based on Augur. I remember seeing one being based on Augur, but I don't remember. Oh, so this one. Yeah, there's a bunch of them. Honestly, I don't know. There's so many. There's another one that I like, but I never really used. I think it's called Engine. Engine System Web. And no, and sign, I think it's called. Sign GitHub. Yeah. What? It's not listed there. Oh, it's not listed here. But I like this one because it's extremely lightweight. And some people have done, they did Spooky Ghost. This is an animation editor, yeah. And it's cool. Cool tool. I don't remember how I installed, but I remember messing around with it. Okay. Exit. And right, I need to go now. I need to handle a call, and I don't know how long it's gonna take. I don't know if you guys heard that, but my Google Home is just trying to remember me. It's remembering me something. This stream is not sponsored by Google Home. Anyway, I'll be cutting the stream short today since I need to handle a call right now. But I will be back tomorrow for more game dev madness. Actually, tomorrow I think I'm actually going to do some game dev. I wanna see if I can add the sword mechanic because I want it to feel like Hollow Knight. I'm gonna record a simple video on Hollow Knight and then try to replicate that. But it's gonna be top down, not gonna be like sideways. I think it's gonna feel fun though. Anyway, well, this is it for me. Let's roll the credits. Wait, what? Oh no, this is some test. There's no stream donors. That was running a test. A video ninja, that's just some test stuff. Anyway, thanks everyone for being here. Thank you all for being part of the stream. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you guys next time.